Hello everyone, welcome to Cloud Analogy's YouTube channel. Talking about the project overview, the Cloud Analogy team assisted its client by catering to them with the integration of Zoho Invoices with Google Sheets. To get started, let me explain a bit about Zoho Invoice and Google Sheets. First, let's talk about Zoho Invoice. Zoho Invoice is an online invoicing software that helps you craft professional invoices, send payment reminders, keep track of expenses, log your work hours, and get paid faster. Also, guess what? It does all free of cost. Zoho Invoice provides a professional invoicing experience. Let me tell you some of its key features. Key features of Zoho Invoices are: it customizes your invoice templates. Invoices are present in multiple currencies. It can schedule invoices easily. It also keeps track of the estimated history. Now let me give you a brief detail about Google Sheets. The Google Sheets online spreadsheet applications enable users to create, edit, and format spreadsheets online to organize and analyze information. Google Sheets is often compared to Microsoft Excel, as both the applications are used for similar purposes. Google Sheets allows users to edit, organize, and analyze different types of information. It will enable collaborations. Multiple users can edit and format files in real time, and a revision history can track any changes made to the spreadsheet. Until now, you must have got some idea about Zoho Invoice and Google Sheets. Before moving on, let me tell you about a few benefits of using Zoho Invoice and Google Sheets. With the help of Zoho Invoice and Google Sheets, you can configure your data integration operation in convenient GUI widgets and editor. Operation is executed in a cloud automatically, on schedule, or manually at any time. You can view the integration operation results for each execution in the run history. The project requirement of the client were as follows. The client wanted us to integrate Zoho Invoice with the Google Sheets. Also, whenever we create a row in Google Sheets, an invoice must be generated in Zoho Invoice. First, I will show you how to integrate Zoho Invoice with Google Sheets step by step. We will log into Zoho Invoice. You must create an account if your account still needs to be created. Then we log in into Google Sheets. And then lastly, we log in into Zoho Flow. After we entered all the given platforms, we needed to create a flow to integrate Zoho Invoice with Google Sheets. Let me tell you how we did it. At first, we entered into Zoho Flows and created a flow such that whenever a row is added to the Google Sheets, a new invoice gets created in the Zoho Invoice. Now let me show you the demo of how it works. Here you can see my Google Sheet. It is an invoice creation sheet with different attributes such as invoice number, order number, due date, quantity, rate, discount, and shipping charges. As you can see, the 8th row is empty. We will start from here. Here we will add data in this row. Let's first add the invoice number in column A. I'm adding INV 010 here. Now add the order number in column B. I'm adding CA 017 here. Now add the due date in column C. I'm adding here 20/22/05/20. The quantity I'm adding in column D is 90. The rate I'm adding in column E is 30. The discount I'm adding in column F is 0. And lastly, the shipping charges in column G as 60. Now I am saving it. As soon as I save the row, a new invoice will get added to Zoho Invoice. Let's see if it's done or not. We will go back to Zoho Invoice platform and click on Invoices. Now you can refresh it as I am doing here. As soon as I refreshed, you can see here a new invoice has been created. Let me open the invoice to make you understand more clearly. Here you can see the invoice. Under item and description, you can see Oreo. Under quantity, you can see quantity is given as 90, as we have entered in the Google Sheet. Under the rate, you can see it is 30 as we provided. So now, as you can see, the amount gets generated automatically by multiplying the quantity, that is 90, and the rate, which is 30. Also, as we have added shipping charges as 60, it will get added to the total amount of Rs 2,700. Making the balance due reach Rs 2,760 rupees, which is our final invoice amount. So this is how our integration of Google Sheets and Zoho Invoice works. That's all for today's session. Do you need to streamline your business with Zoho integration and wonder how to start? Don't worry, the Cloud Analogy team has got you covered. Our experts excel in providing services in Zoho CRM, Zoho Creators, Zoho Analytics, and so much more. Contact us to explore how our experts would cater to your requirements successfully. Thank you for watching.